can't remember why I don't like wearing wigs. This is a lot of work. Always my face. It looks cute for a moment until it starts sliding way back.
What up, baby? You here?
And then everyone's like, is that a wig? I'm like, no.
Yeah.
Maybe. This is Igbo Fest 2024.
Hey, kids, stay away from the floor. Please stay away from the dance floor so that then the others can perform. All the kids get out of the way. Parents, hold your kids, bro. Hold your horses. Do not spray any money yet. Hold your money. Allow them to perform. Stay away from the floor. Hold the money, do not spread it. Hold the money. In your hand, go on the floor. Appreciate them the road dance. There's a lot of practice into this. All the kids, please help us pick up this money. Any kid on the floor, help us pick up this money. Please bring the bags. Let them help us with the money. Please pick it up. There's a bag in the middle of it. Beyond. If you are not picking money, pick it up. Please pick up money and put it in the bag in the middle of the hair. Don't pick money and spray it again. Put it here. Then the water.
It's a video.
Oh,
What does
why you were so close.
What does it mean to be Igbo to you?
Yeah.
You gotta talk loud. I'll back out.
I'll let you go first.
Now off rip.
These drummers are gonna mess with you. You gotta talk real loud.
I mean, it's something to be proud of for sure. I think that, you know, that's something my sister says as well, where we're very, you know, proud of what we have, you know, not to want to show off, but we just take great joy in being ourselves, and I think that's important, because, I mean, we're not going to be anyone else, right? So we got to do what we can there. And then that also leads into the theatrics of it all, where, you know, we like to, you know, display what we have and, you know, just be real loud and proud about it. That's what I would say, at least.
I don't know how I'm gonna follow up with that, but I would say I agree with all of it, especially the part of being true to yourself. That's what I try to do every single day, no matter how big or small the situation may be. I try to, you know, show my true colors as a proud Nigerian Igbo man, even though I was born here in Minnesota, but I still try to come back to my roots everywhere I go.
Cool. Thank you both.